Hello and welcome back to the channel. I feel like I am here at the perfect setting to discuss our next important thing, expenses. Expenses are vital to you being profitable as a gig worker. Right now I'm here getting an oil change and car maintenance is very expensive. Gas is very expensive and it adds up. And this can be controlled by taking lower mileage trips. Thank you.
Gives you the interval stickers. We should be out of here shortly.
Awesome, man. Thank you. I appreciate you. This is one expense when it comes to food delivery. The other is gas. In Florida, I'm paying $3.19 a gallon. Some of you guys are paying higher. Some of you guys are lower. And if you don't manage your mileage, you will be hemorrhaging money at the pump and for other car-related expenses. What do I mean by managing mileage? Every offer you receive will likely have an estimated mileage on it. You must be very selective with your offers and look for high pay, low mileage as often as possible. To do this, it requires patience and the ability to say no. Hit that decline. Don't waste your time. Oh man, you too, man. Thank you.
So much.
And we're out. Much faster than anticipated, so I guess I'll be finishing this video from the studio. So the final damage was a total of $119.98. So these expenses add up. And if your mileage continues to go up while you're dashing and you're taking these offers that have ridiculously high mileage and low pay, you're going to be doing this a lot. And you're going to be spending a lot of money on gas, and you're going to be seeing a lot of money going out and not so much coming in. You can't be taking $6 offers for 10 miles consistently and expect to make money. I do not move my car for anything less than $1 per mile, and that is the bare minimum. I shoot for a lot higher, $1.50 to $2 for every offer. Now, included in that $1 per mile is also any returning trips that need to happen after delivery drop-off. Because if it is 4 miles out of the way from the closest restaurant, I have to drive 4 miles back towards the restaurant areas anyway, so that's lost mileage. I include that in my criteria when I select an offer. For example, if an offer is $6 for 5 miles, that would technically fit my criteria. Now, if there are an additional 4 miles coming back after the delivery, I would need that thing to be up there towards $11, $12. You need to know your zone and make your own criteria when it comes to selecting offers. You know what's going on best and you know your needs the most. And just beware, if you consistently go below that $1 per mile, you will be losing money. You also got to remember low mileage trips are much quicker, allowing you to get more deliveries done in an hour span, which means more money. Taking $3 10-mile offers are going to cost you in the end, and you are not going to have the money to make up for it when that time comes. These gig companies won't be there for you when your car breaks down, and you will be shit out of luck and on your own. So be wise. You do this for you. You are the CEO of your gig work. If an offer does not have value to you, let it go. Any bad offer is always a lost opportunity at a good one. How many times have I declined 2 to 3 offers? That fourth one is beautiful. You need to have patience and you need to be selective. The key to being profitable in anything is keeping your expenses down. Sign up for the rewards programs at gas stations, save yourself some gas money, get a Groupon for oil changes like I did. You gotta save money when you can. But the most important way to save money is keeping your mileage down. Bottom line, if you can't do that, you might want to think about getting out of this because you might not make money. You need to be able to say no to bad offers. So please, guys, remember your expenses. You gotta keep them under control if you want to make money. So please keep your mileage down, know your zone. Don't be taking these obnoxious trips that they give you. Be patient, wait for the right offer, and make that money. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Happy dashing.